Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Havaianas Slide Brasil. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Havaianas Slide Brasil sliders. And just taking a look around the somewhat beaten up box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box flap to reveal the contents inside, and of course popping out the sliders from its box packaging. And we can set the box to the side, so setting it on the right hand side of the table as we focus on the pair of slides. So this pair is in the new Graphite style or colorway, and just setting it down so you can see the pair in full detail. So just shifting the box further back, and this pair is in a size 41 to 42. And let's focus on the left slide first, and giving you a full 360 rotation so you have a complete view of this slider. And now taking a close-up look at the details of the slider. You can see that it does have the Brazil logo or flag, which is quite iconic to the Havaianas brand. And you can see that the foot strap or hoop does have a glittery finish to it with that metallic grey look. And of course the Havaianas branding across the strap. And just taking a look at the details around the footbed. You can once again see the Havaianas branding, and of course the size 41 to 42. And of course the Euro size is 43 to 44. And the other sizes as well, right across the footbed. And giving you a look right there as to the overall details of this slider. So right there you can see the thickness of that rubber sole, and of course the strap is made out of PVC. And taking a look at the bottom of the sole of the slider, we can see the traction pattern right across, which is consistent with the entire length of that bottom or sole. And to give you some idea of that texture, firmness or hardness of the sole, just dragging my finger along that tread or traction pattern. So it does have a slip resistant and heat resistant design. And once again giving you a look at the overall details. So this is in the 41 to 42 Havaianas size. And once again, the various sizing and details in other country or regions. And giving you a look straight on and through from the front of the slide, and once again giving you a look at the details, and of course that very soft and supple PVC foot strap right there, and giving you some idea of the softness and firmness. And now let's do a flexibility twist and bend test with my hands to give you some idea of the overall firmness, stiffness or pliability of this slide or slider. It's right there giving you a look at that overall flexibility, softness and bendability of this slide. And now just setting the left slide down as we focus on the right slide. So of course there is the hanger that's still attached to the slide. Let's slide it off and just setting that to the side. And this time around giving you a look at the right slide. And once again we see the similar design cues, and of course this one is in the new graphite. And right there, the sticker advertising the rubber sole. So rubber sole and PVC strap. And taking a look at the hang tag that's attached to the slide, and we can see front and back, as well as the inside of that hang tag. So you can see there is a holographic foil attached on the inside, and of course some brand information as well. And giving you an overall all-round look at this Havaianas Slide Brasil in the new Graphite colorway. So giving you some idea of that texture on the footbed surface, and we can see that there is a molded form to conform with an average size foot, and the overall contours, and of course the nubs that provide the traction on the footbed. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And from the front to the back. and the undersides as well. And of course, just going to squeeze that rubber sole or footbed to give you some idea of the density and softness or firmness of that rubber footbed. So that's the Havaianas Slide Brasil. Thanks for watching and happy walking!